Hello guys, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get Android with HTC Sense on the HTC HD2. As you may know, if you've been researching, there's a lot of builds of Android already out there. So this is just another build that has HTC Sense. So I'm going to go into Firefox or whatever browser you want to go into, and go into Google, and you're going to type Linux on HTC HD2, and you click on the first post, which will send you to XDA developers. And now you have to go to the third post. You see the poster right here. You go down to the third one. That's basically just telling you the information, how the progress of it. And you're looking for the third post. It's right here, and you'll notice it's under the frequently asked questions and instructions. You can't miss it. Okay, under useful sites, you're gonna go down and look for Android builds and download links. They're right here. The one you want to click on is the first one, the gamesquare.co.uk, and then you're gonna go down to Froilstone series by Darkstone. You're gonna click on that one. Okay, so Froilstone series version 2, it was released on September 2nd, so it was like 2 days from now, from the date I'm making this video. And you have to go down, and here's the download. Okay, my bad. Here's the download link. Now, no, not there. That's the old one. Here. This is version 2. Now let me show you this. You need to read over this. If you're having the robotic noises, it's probably you have the stock Windows Mobile ROM. I actually changed it to the recommended one, and my radio is actually 2.8, so it doesn't really matter. You have to run this program clrcad.exe before you run the Harriet. This basically just enables the sound, and basically I think that's all that you have to know right now. So you're gonna download this. I can press direct download. Okay, so you're gonna download this. I actually have it saved already, so I'm not gonna save it. If you can see my downloads, it's right here. So I'm gonna open that, and I'm gonna use evaluation mode because I don't have it. So once it's open, you have to realize that this is 7Z, so you need to download WinZip for this. It's not gonna extract with the normal Windows program, or with Explorer, you could call it. So you have to download WinZip. I mean, I'm just using the evaluation version because I don't want to pay right now. So you unzip it, you pick a place, and let me just make a folder, put it in my desktop, and name it Android, and we're gonna unzip it into there. Make sure you name it Android, because this way you will just drop it into your SD card. Otherwise you're gonna have to make another folder, because these files go into a folder named Android. Okay, actually I already made you an Android in it, so this is all you need. Basically, here's some readme file. You can read it if you want to. It basically tells you what's working, what's not working yet. This is not perfect, guys. They're still testing it. Don't expect to get everything working, and I mean, time, you just have to wait. I mean, they have done a lot of progress, and in very short little time. So, I mean, short amount of time. So they'll get to it. Okay, so basically these are the files that you're gonna have to run. This is one. This is for the sound, the clrcad.exe. Then you're gonna run the Harriet.exe, but of course you're not gonna run it here. You're gonna have to run it from inside your phone. So you're gonna copy this folder, and then you're gonna go to your computer, and you have to have your phone connected as a USB mount or a disk mount, so you could access the files in it. And as you can see, I should have my Android folder here. I'm not gonna put it again because I actually ran this already and I already have my information there. So you're just gonna paste it right here. I mean, it's really simple, copy paste. And now I'm gonna show you the actual part from your phone that you actually have to execute, and in the computer you're done, so you could get out of everything. Okay, let me show you the other one. Hello guys, and welcome to the second part of the tutorial. In this part we're going to actually run it from our phone. This is the final part. So you're going to have to go to File Explorer in your phone. I have it right here in my shortcut because I use it a lot. So okay, there. So as you can see, a bunch of things come out. I'm actually in my storage card already. Make sure you navigate to that, and you have to go into Android, your Android folder that you created, well, that you moved into, and then you're gonna have to run the CLR-CAD. That basically just enables the sound. I believe I told you already. So you're just gonna click on that. Nothing's gonna happen. That's normal. And then you got to click the Harriet.exe. And now it's gonna actually do the booting. And this should not be a long process. I mean, depends what you consider long. For the first time, it should be from 5 to 7 minutes. That's normal. Then the second time, third time, it'll only be like maybe 2. I mean, you can see it right now. This is not my first time loading not Android, so mine's gonna go a little bit faster than yours. But yours expected to take longer because it just has to create like a new disk image to run. So just be patient, and it will run eventually. Okay, blank screen. With you, it's gonna get a blank screen like right here, but it's gonna be longer. Mine's not gonna be that long because I already ran it. Yours is expected to be 2 to 3 minutes. I mean, don't get frustrated. Just be patient, and then you'll get that Android screen. So you just wait for it to load up. And if it gets stuck on the Android screen and you notice that it's taking way too long, it's unacceptable even in the second, third, fourth time, what you're gonna have to basically do is delete all the files and reinstall them. Or if that doesn't work, the best solution would be you have to reformat your SD card and then do everything again. That's your best bet. So as you can see right here, you got Android already on the HTC HD2, and this is actually, if you recognize it, from the HTC Desire. So they ripped the ROM from there, and everything's working pretty smoothly. So let me see if I can get the brightness a little bit down. It could be a little, never mind. Okay, well, I think that's better. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's very smooth. You can see your clock, your HTC Sense clock. It's very common. It's very noticeable. Your HTC Peep for Twitter. Let me go into the programs here so you can see them. Everything's very smooth. Very smooth. On this version, okay, sorry guys, my video got shut off, but as I was saying, in this version, Wi-Fi hotspot is working, as you can see. You can also mount it as a disk image into your computer. You can just choose to charge it. You can tether with it. The flashlight's working. The other basic Wi-Fi is working. Those were like issues that we had in the beginning with Android, but they seem to be resolved. There's some known issues on the compass, but that's they know that. I mean, it's not perfect yet, so we just gotta wait. I mean, they made a lot of progress, and well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and got something out of it, and hope to see you next time.